Preparing for your exam in just a week can be manageable with a structured study plan. Aim to study for 1 to 2 hours each day, breaking sessions into shorter, focused periods at times that fit your schedule. Organize your materials, eliminate distractions, and choose a quiet study environment to enhance your focus. Utilize any review sheets provided by your teacher to guide your study topics, and consider creating flashcards for key terms and concepts. To reinforce your understanding, read important text aloud and summarize them in your own words. Finally, take a practice test a few days prior to the exam to assess your progress and identify areas for improvement. Remember, consistent daily study is more effective than cramming at the last minute.